My name is Caroline from Miami. I am 60 years old today. I owned a beach house there. Caroline's villa was very beautiful and big. My husband died 3 years ago. I felt sad and lonely then. I walked on the beach daily. The waves made me feel calm. One morning, I saw a man. He was lying on the sand. He looked young and very handsome. His name was Andrew Miller then. He said he had no job. I felt sorry for him. He told me beautiful love poems. His words made my heart dance. He said age was just numbers. Love could happen at any time. I began to believe his words. Hope filled my empty heart again. We met every day on beach. He brought me small white flowers. He said I was still beautiful. My wrinkles were wisdom lines only. I cooked dinner for him nightly. He ate and smiled at me. He said he loved me deeply. My money did not matter much. I trusted every word he spoke. Love made me blind and foolish. We married after 2 short months. The beach wedding was very pretty. Palm trees danced in warm wind. Waves sang our wedding song beautifully. I wore a white dress. He looked perfect in his suit. We had a small cake party. Friends wished us good luck then. I added his name to accounts. He was my husband now, officially. We moved into my big house. It felt alive with him there. He quit looking for work completely. I supported us both happily then. We sailed on my boat daily. The ocean was blue and calm. He took photos of us together. We looked happy in every shot. But slowly, things began to change. He stayed out late at night. He said he was meeting friends. I believed his lies every time. Money started disappearing from my accounts. Large amounts went missing weekly, somehow. I asked him about the money. He said banks made computer errors. I loved him and trusted him. Questions seemed rude and mean then. More cash went missing each month. My savings were getting smaller daily. I hired someone to watch him. The truth would hurt me badly. The man followed him for weeks. His report broke my heart completely. He was seeing 3 young women. They met on boats at night. He bought them expensive gifts daily. My money paid for everything wrong. He told them he was rich. They did not know about me. I felt sick when I heard. My whole world fell apart then. I went to the boat harbor. I saw him with a girl. She was 20 and very pretty. They were kissing and laughing together. I walked up to them slowly. My heart was beating very fast. He saw me and looked scared. The girl ran away quickly then. I asked him to explain everything. He had no good answers. He said I was too old. Young women were more fun always. He said love was just business. I was his bank account only. I cried and felt very broken. 20 years of savings were gone. He packed his clothes that night. The girl waited in his car. They drove away to Mexico together. I never saw him again, ever. I called the police for help, but he had done nothing illegal. The lawyer said marriage laws protected. Half of everything was his, legally. I sold my boat to pay. Bills were piling up, very high. The house felt cold and empty. Every room held painful memories now. I sat on the beach, crying. Waves crashed, but brought no comfort. Other women walked past me daily. I wondered if they knew. The sunset was beautiful, but sad. Orange light danced on blue water. I thought about my foolish heart. Love had made me very stupid. My friends had tried to warn, but I would not listen then. Money was gone, but pain remained. My heart hurt more than anything. I looked at our wedding photos. His smile seemed fake and cold. The flowers he gave were dying. Like our love, they turned brown. I threw away his love letters. They were lies written on paper. Spring came, but brought no joy. My bank account was nearly empty. I had to sell the house. A young couple bought it cheap. They looked happy and in love. I hoped theirs was real and true. I moved to a small apartment. The beach was far away now. I could not hear the waves. Silence filled my days and nights. My health began to fail badly. Stress was killing me very slowly. I had no money for doctors. Free clinics were always too crowded. Summer was hot and lonely too. I stayed inside my tiny room. I watched TV shows about love. They all seemed fake to me. Young couples held hands on screen. I wondered who was lying there. My story became a warning tale. Other women should learn from me. But lonely hearts rarely listen well. Hope makes us all very blind. I learned love cannot be bought. Real love must grow naturally and slowly. His poems were pretty, but empty. Actions speak louder than any words. I should have seen the signs. Young men rarely love old women. Some do, but most are hunting. They look for lonely, rich targets. My mistake was trusting too fast. Love takes time to grow properly. Now I live with my regret. The beach calls, but I cannot. The waves still sing their song, but I dance alone. Now, always. My villa stands by the ocean. Another family lives there, now happily. I drive past sometimes and remember. Those days feel like a dream. The sunset still paints the sky, but I watch from far away. My heart learned a hard lesson. Some prices are too high to pay.